Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am having a very exciting video for you all. Over the past few days, I have been searching for the best tools that can help you reduce your efforts, save your time, and 2x your income as well. So let's wait no more and dive right in it. Number 1. Beautiful.AI. Beautiful.AI uses AI to help you create beautiful, professional-looking presentations quickly and easily. It has a wide range of templates to choose from, so that you can find the perfect look for your presentation. It makes it easy to collaborate on presentations with your team. You can share your presentations with others, and they can add their own content. Also, you can track changes so that you can see who made what changes and when. It allows you to export your presentations in a variety of formats, including PowerPoint, PDF, and HTML. You can create a slide once and use it in multiple presentations. This is a great way to save your time and ensure that all of your presentations have a cohesive look. Overall, it's a great option for anyone who wants to improve their presentation skills or save time on presentation design. Number 2 is Unscreen. Unscreen can remove backgrounds from videos in up to 1080 pixels resolutions, which is more than 10 times more pixels than the result produced in a 360 pixel video. This means that you can get high-quality, professional-looking results with Unscreen. It supports different video formats, including MP4, WebM, OGG, OGB, MOV, and CHIP. This means that you can use Unscreen to remove backgrounds from any type of video, regardless of its format. And you won't believe it's easy as well as free to use. Simply upload your video to the Unscreen website or app, and Unscreen will automatically remove the background. You can then download the resulting video or share it with others. Number 3 is Copy.AI. Copy.AI has a wide variety of templates and tools to help you create different types of content, including sales copy, digital ads, e-commerce product descriptions, blog posts, and social media posts. It allows you to choose the writing tone that you want for your content. This is great for creating content that is appropriate for your brand and target audience. It suggests additional content that you may want to use in your campaign. This can help you to create more comprehensive and engaging content. AI copywriting can help you to create content faster and more efficiently. This can save you time and money. Also, it can help you to create content that is more persuasive and engaging. This can help you to increase your website traffic, generate more leads, and boost your sales overall. Copy.AI is a powerful AI copywriting tool that can help you to create high-quality, engaging content that is effective for your marketing campaigns. Number 4 is Runway ML. Runway ML can generate an entirely new, unique video from an existing video that is similar in style and content, but with different objects, people, and scenes. It can also generate a video from a text prompt. This is done by using machine learning to identify the key elements of the text prompt and then creating a video that is similar in style and content, but with different visuals. It can remove objects from videos without leaving any traces. Also, it can remove the backgrounds from videos and replace it with any other background that you choose. It can detect objects in videos and track their movements. This can be used to create special effects, such as adding arrows or labels to objects in a video. Number 5 is Veed.io. Veed.io has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use even if you don't have any experience with video editing. It offers a free plan that allows you to create and edit videos up to 10 minutes long. Veed.io can automatically add subtitles to your videos in over 100 languages. It allows you to record your screen and your webcam at the same time, making it easy to create instructional videos, presentations, or even live streams. It also provides a library of stock audio, videos, and templates that you can use to create your videos. This can save your time and efforts if you don't have the time or skills to create your own assets. Overall, Veed.io is a powerful and versatile video editing tool that offers a wide range of features and options, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro. Veed.io has something to offer you, so it's done. But the series of best AI tools has not ended yet. It will continue in the next video. If you're seeking the top AI voiceovers to elevate your videos and monetize your channel, click on the I button or choose the video on the right. I'll meet you there.